This design just here isn't mine, but I found it here on Ideogram, and I absolutely loved it. Now I really like how the flowers are on the font as well, and I wanted to see if I could take this concept and create lots more different designs, and that's what I did just here. So I have these 6 different designs which I want to share with you, and you can use the prompts however you please. Now if you want to take it one step further and create an unlimited amount of prompts in this style as well, then come and check out my prompt playground. This is a little freebie. This is going to be down in the description as well, but it's going to show you how you can take prompts from Ideogram and create an unlimited amount of t-shirt designs, sticker designs, clip art and colouring pages. Again, if you want to check this out, there will be a link down in the description. Now, all of these designs just here are also on my public profile, and what I'll do is also link this down in the description as well, so you can come through and check it out. Now, whilst you're here, don't forget to scroll through my public profile because I have lots of other cool stuff. But nonetheless, I have these 6 designs just here. One for brother, nana, uncle, grandpa, dad, and another papa. So if we take a look at these one by one, we can see what they look like. Now over here on the right hand side, this is the original prompt and this is the magic prompt. Now feel free to use either one of these as well and just see what you can create. Now with this one, I really love the colour combination as well, with the red, the white, the browns, and I just thought this looked pretty amazing. Now that's the first one, Brother Bear. The second one, Nana Fox. Now this is probably one of my least favourites. I still quite like the colour combination as well, with the purples, and I do really like this font style. And again, the prompts over here are on the right hand side. You can even take these, just change out the quote just here, and then play around with the colours. You can also add a different element, or an animal, or whatever you want. Again, take these prompts and just do whatever you want with. But that's the second one, Nana Fox. The third one, I really liked this. This is Wild Uncle. Again, I really like the colour combinations with this, with the animal, and also the font style as well. And I thought this looked pretty good. But that's the third one. The fourth one, this is probably one of my favourites, along with the fifth. And this is Grandpa Stag. I really love everything about this. Now again, you can take these prompts, change out the quote to whatever you want as well, play around with the colours, and even the animal. Again, just do whatever you want with these. But that's the fourth one. The fifth one, I think this one is my favourite, Mountain Dad. Now everything about this just looks absolutely awesome, and I really love how the dad is part of the A just here. But that's Mountain Dad, and then we also have Papa Wolf, which I thought this looked pretty good as well. But nonetheless, that's 5 different designs which I wanted to share with you. Again, actually, it's not 5 designs, it's 6. But again, they're here on my public profile. Now, if we come here, we can see I have lots of different prompts for stickers as well. If we keep scrolling through these, you're going to find a lot for t-shirts as well. As you can see, this one just here is my favourite. I also have lots of prompts for colouring pages, and again, just come through to my public profile, start scrolling through, see what you can find, and just play around with all of the prompts here to see what you can create. Now also, I do suggest just following me as well. It doesn't say it on my profile because obviously this is my profile, but up here there would also be a subscribe button, and if you click on there you can subscribe or follow me. Or is it a follow button? Indeed, I think it is a follow button, but nonetheless you can click on there, follow me, and then you'll be able to see what I start creating. But all of these I just wanted to share with you, and if you do want to create a lot more in this style, don't forget to come and check out my prompt playground, and I'll link that down in the description as well. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then don't forget to give me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.